Gosh, we got another PDS tornado warning, guys. And
the layover rotation, I'm going to go back and forth again. I got to change back and forth between a lot of different products right here. And to see if we have any new tornado or new reports, there are power lines being reported down around Memorial Boulevard in Springfield, if you're familiar with that area. The tornado that was east of Springfield, the good news, does appear to have lifted temporarily.
oh my gosh, here it is. PDS tornado warning. I have not heard that warning. I have not heard that warning since we were moving to Virginia. That storm in South Boston, I think. No way. What is this?
The National Weather Service has issued tornado warning for the following areas.
Hey?
Davidson, Tennessee, at 4:36 p.m. on that 9.
Dazdeck moment.
23 effective until 5:21 p.m.
What was that? Oh my gosh. What was that? What is this? I'm gonna get this on my big radio here.
They gotta.
There's two. Come on. No, stop. Really? They did it 3 times. How about that? What is this?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has
What was
issued a
that?
tornado warning for.
How many stations relayed that? How they
Extremely dangerous tornado.
one of them sent it, 2 more relayed it. So this one was from other stations or whatever.
Damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Intent, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Madison and Goodlettsville around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hendersonville and Old Hickory around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lakewood around 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gallatin around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations are and White Creek. This is the Interstate 65 between mile markers 35 to 902. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 49. Sources, alert. Extremely dangerous and potentially...
I have a feeling they're gonna send it again because of DASDEC. And here's the DASDEC. I think. Oh no! I think they're on emergency mode. Guys, they are on emergency mode. They are not off the air. This is crazy. They are literally on emergency mode on their AM station. That, oh my gosh. They just went on emergency mode. They are not off the air, okay? This is so when they receive a new alert from NOAA Weather Radio, they can relay it on their Sage or whatever they have. So they can give out the latest emergency information possible, real time. That is crazy. Wow. Tornado warning here. As for Robertson and Sumner, they should relay it, and I'll prove they're not on the air. Or then it's gonna prove that they are on the air. Do it here in just a second. There you go. See, that's emergency mode for you guys.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for north central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Portland, or 17 miles north of Gallatin, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas.
I think that's what it's.
In northeastern Robertson counties.
I think that's the call sign.
Be in your safe spot.
Okay, no, they're not.
Mile markers 116 and 120. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
And they should go back silent.
Information.
Okay, never
but
mind.
If you're anywhere in this area around the Eden World, North Hill Estates.
Oh my god. Here's the DASDEC. Here's the DASDEC.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado warning for the following counties or areas. Sumner, Robertson, Tennessee, at 4:47 p.m. on Deck 9, 2023, effective until 5:02 p.m.
And they just went back to emergency mode, I think. Yep.
Or storm
Oh,
shelter,
never
that
mind.
is great. You just
May have been the
really
character
get to
generator,
do
who knows?
video. This is I-65.
A tornado warning for southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Brownsville County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Gallatin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Gallatin around 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hartsville around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bethpage in Bledsoe Creek State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Macon, Thursday, Tennessee, at 5:12 p.m. on that 9, 2023, effective until 5:57 p.m.
Awesome.
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, west central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, central Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Odenwald, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pontiac, Cornwall, Centerville, Santa Fe, Gordonsburg, Simmons, Hampshire, Williamsport, and Twin Springs. This includes Interstate 840 between mile markers 7 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time in Middle Tennessee. At 7:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, or near Rover, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
This dangerous storm will be near Murfreesboro around 7:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Christiana, Milton, Fosterville, and Rockville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 79 and 92. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
But if we can just remember.
4, 3, 2, 1. Finally! What is that?
Effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Lunenburg, and Nottoway. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing
come on.
conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Oh, the W100s went off!
Know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Ah.
Close to the watch
It didn't. It didn't.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for
It didn't save it.
weather service has issued
Not pre-selected header. Tornado watch is a pre-selected header.
This watch includes the following counties.
2 TB. Wow. No. You've been a bad boy so far. I have a feeling something else is relaying. Oh, shoot.
Ruby 1037, your. Limit.
Oh, here it is.
For those caught without shelter, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gasport around 4:15 p.m. Brunswick around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Anti, Brink, Triplet, Lawrence Corner, Toweka, White Plains, O'Hare, Valentine's, Slate's Corner, and Roanoke Rapids Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @FuelHub. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Northampton, North Carolina, and Brunswick, Virginia.
And seek shelter as quickly
Wait,
as you
what
can.
station
Tornado
was
warning
this?
in effect until 4:45 this afternoon for Halifax and Warren counties. On this date, 1967, December the 10th, 1967.
In the flooded road. Most 5 inches. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: in Virginia, Hanover, and Henrico. with them? In Virginia, Hanover, and Henrico. Roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: in Virginia, Hanover, and Henrico.
That's LUR.
I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that there's a flash flood warning. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Shelby County and central Kentucky, north central Anderson County and central Kentucky, Franklin County and central Kentucky until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Shelbyville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
There's another PDS tornado warning. I'll see if I can get it on the Tennessee AM radio in Nashville.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Frankfort around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Flickway, Avonstoke, Harvey Ellen, Bridgeport, Hatton, Harrisonville, Hooper, Pytona, Swallowfield, and Clay Village. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Of him
This is
saying,
insane.
well, we'll play that in the, we'll play that.
Oh, they just continue to PDS. Okay, it's still considerable. This is insane.